How to upgrade Lalal.ai account. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Next, log into your account if you haven't already. Once you are logged in, look at the top right corner of the home page and hover over your user icon or timer to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, click on the upgrade option. You will be taken to the premium plans page where different subscription options like monthly and annual plans are displayed. Review the features and benefits of each plan carefully to decide which one suits your needs best. After selecting your preferred plan, click the subscribe button below it. You will be redirected to the checkout page where you can enter your payment details and complete the purchase securely. Once your payment is successful, your account will be upgraded to the premium plan, unlocking faster processing, larger file uploads, and more features. And that's it. Now you know how to upgrade Lalal.ai account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.